welcome back. A lot of you might be wondering whatever happened to Bluey, but then again you might not. This is my marketplace bargain which I bought last year for £500. Yes, I've still got the car and I've done a lot of work on it, but it hasn't cost me a lot of money. This thing is still cheap. This thing has cost me about £400 in repair. A lot of the parts I've managed to get from the donor car which I bought, and in selling those parts I've made a lot of money as well. Not a lot of money, I don't mean to say that. I have profited. So the car has had some serious mechanical issues when I first bought it. I thought it was just the rod bearings that had gone. I replaced the rod bearings and it lasted about an hour. So it's quite serious. I've actually had to split the casing of the block, sump off again, the bottom of the block off, and replace the entire crankshaft and bearings. And while I was in there, I did loads of other jobs. All the main bearing seals, I did the oil pump, I did the cam chain, the cam tensioners. I did all the big jobs that need doing. Supercharger was off. I serviced the supercharger with a new water pump and new oils and fluids. The power steering had failed, so I've had a new power steering pump and pipe work and the oil. Even the oil for that is a specific oil. But yeah, all in all, I reckon I've only spent about £400. Oh, and that includes a new set of coilover suspension as well. So the car as it stands me is around about £900. So it's come time to say goodbye to Bluey. It is on eBay as we speak, and it's time to move on to another car. What do we get? Do we get another hot hatch? Do we get something older? Do we get something newer? I've been offered a Mini R56. Do I take that one? I'd love to do an engine conversion because I know they're very popular, and I haven't done one of them for about 15 years. So maybe I get something older and convert it, or if you've got any ideas, just stick it in the comments, let me know. But it is time to say goodbye to Bluey. The R53, the really fast car we've had a lot of fun on. We took it on track and raced it. Really good car, really good car. But it's time. It's time for Bluey to say goodbye. Right, stick us a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, let me know what you want to see next, and yeah, we'll see what we can do. Obviously something popular is the route I'm going to go down. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And my camera's about to blow over. I just hope the wind isn't coming out on the microphone. Thank you very much, everybody. See you soon.